Hello Year 9, I hope you've all been enjoying using Onshape online. Today I'm going to be working through one of the 3 tutorials that you will be doing so that you can practice some of the skills that you've learned over the past 3 lessons. The first thing you'll need to do is create a new document. You can give the document name the same name as the tutorial that you'll be working on, and today we will be looking at the Revolve tutorial. It may take a couple of minutes for the workspace to load. The first thing that we need to do is select which plane we want to draw on. You will need to choose the right plane, and you can see on the left hand side of the screen you can hide the visibility of the other planes that you will not be using, so I would encourage you to do that. So that we can see the front face of that plane, if you see on the right hand side of the screen the orbit tool, if we hit that right command, that will give us a full picture of the workspace that we'll be drawing in. So the first thing that we need to do is add in our construction lines. I'll be using the keypad shortcut, and the keypad shortcut for construction line is Q. So to get into the sketch space, we can hit sketch. I can hit Q on the keypad and pick up the line tool. Now, if I hover over that center line, you can see that that line is a dashed line, and that shows me that that is a construction line. So I'll just add in 2 construction lines to start the drawing off. Once I've added that second construction line, if I hit escape on the keypad, that will make sure that that command is no longer attached to the mouse. The next thing I'm going to do is draw the illustration that you have in your tutorial using the line tool. So if I pick up the line tool, I'm just going to hover over the construction line so I can see that I'm on that center point, and I'm just going to sketch out the shape. Don't worry about the dimensions at this point because we'll go back over the drawing and add those in a moment. Once you've finished that half of the drawing, we'll hit escape, and we're going to use the mirror entities command to make that half a complete shape. So you can see where my mouse is. If you click on the mirror command, select that center construction line for the mirror line, and then we'll just click on each section of the shape, and you can see that that is being mirrored on the right hand side. Okay, once your shape has been mirrored, hit escape on the keypad, and that will make sure that command is no longer attached to the mouse. The next thing we're going to do is add in our dimensions. Keypad shortcut is D, and I'm just going to click on the 2 points that I want to dimension, and I'm going to change that to 40. I'm going to change that one to 75, and I'm going to change the last one to 100. Enter will commit that command. Okay, next we are going to revolve this shape around this bottom construction line. So if you look over to the left side of the screen, you can see where my mouse is picking up the revolve command. You can hit revolve axes, you can see that highlighted in red, and we need to select which axes we would like to revolve around. If I tap on that and then hit the tick icon, you can see that that has created a complete shape. I'm just holding down the right hand key to act as the orbit tool so that I can see that that shape is complete. And that is the end of the tutorial. It's now your turn to have a go.